Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Alright, so I'm logged in into Pixci and this is the homepage. It's a very easy to use software. On the sidebar, you can see hundreds of workloads that you can use to create any sort of image. This list just goes on and on. We've already got 150 and more are being added all the time. You see, Pixci is a very simple concept. What we want to do is we want to give you access to multiple AIs and also want to make your generation task easier. You can do anything with just a click of a button, not have to type a lot of content. Of course, the first thing that you get is create image. This is the place where you can create an image based on a prompt. But remember, Pixci is multi-AI. Now, in the past, you might have gone to different websites trying to figure out what can work for you or trying to get access to AI models that actually work well, paying multiple places like Leonardo or paying for stable diffusion implementations. Pixci gives you everything, all of these models in one place. Right now, there are 10 models in there and we are adding new models all the time. So by the time you see this, you might actually get more than 10. So anyway, here, let me put in a prompt. So I've got a prompt here and I can even select how many images I want to generate. So I can use any of these models. So it can be Stable Diffusion 1.6 or Segment Vega RT or Pixel Art, whatever you want. Let me use Leonardo for this, or on second thoughts, let me use Dolly 3. And I want to use only one image. I want to create only one image. Depending on the capabilities of model, of course, this will change. And when you click on generate, it will generate the image. It will take a couple of seconds. Here we are, the image is created, and if I want to download it, I can click the download button or I can open it in a new tab. Let me download the image. I can actually select exactly the size I want to download it in. So if I want 720px, I could do that. Let's click on 720px. The image is downloaded already. Now this time, let's go back to create image, and this time let's try to use a different AI engine. That's the entire point of it. You want to use different kinds of AIs and create images that have different settings, different options, and that look different. Again, you can select the number of images you want because Stable Diffusion generates multiple images if you want them. And when you click on advanced, you can select or set exactly how you want the image to look. You can modify the initial setup of the AI model and get the image the way you want it. Whenever you're ready, click on generate. Again, it'll take us a few seconds and you will have a new image. Here we are, a completely new image done by a different AI in a completely different style. And that's what you need very often, because if you have only one AI, you get only one artist, only one model generating all the images, and you do need to have more stylistic choices. And Pixie can do that for you. The create image, the top option is a generalist. You can feed any prompt to it that you want. You can choose any model that you want, but using multiple AIs, you can create graphics that look different from your competitors and that actually add value to your business. Now, on the sidebar, like I told you, there are so many options. You can create logos too. So, for example, if you want to create a logo, just select the AI that you want to work with. Let's try DALI 3 again and let's give it some details. I'm going to feed this in now. I want a logo for my company called Jeet Feed, and I gave it a little bit details of what the business does. Then I can just click on generate, and here we have a new logo for my business. Again, there are actually multiple variations over here. I can use the one that I want to use, and you can just keep going back using different AIs. So if I want a different logo, if I want to try again, I can maybe just use a different AI this time. And this is generated by a different AI. So you can just keep going back, making as many variations as you want. You can create logos for your businesses, for your clients' businesses, absolutely any business you want. And you can also create signs. So if you want to create a sign that you want to use in your website maybe, or you want to use it in your ads, you could do that. Just answer a couple of easy questions. I'm going to create a sign that says vote for Jeet. Here we have the guy holding a sign that says vote for Jeet. If you're not happy with it, if you want to change something, you could go back, give it more details or give it different details and create an all new image. Let's see how easy Pixie makes it to remove the background from an image. It knows exactly what AI can do that and filters to it. That's a feature of Pixie. For every single workload we have here, Pixie knows which AIs can do that job. For example, if you want to change your dress into beachwear, upload a photograph. Pixie will tell you exactly what AIs can do it, and then you can change the clothes to beachwear. Now, again, click on next, then upload the image or just drag your image there. So I'm going to drag a photograph, just this one, and just click on generate. And here we go. We've got the image without the background and it looks so clean. You don't need to lasso it or use Photoshop. It just makes it so easy, so fast. You can create banners that can be used for ads. You can convert drawings to images. If you got old photographs that are all cracked and spotted, you could just restore them, make them absolutely new. Or if you want to use an image from a stock site and you want to try it out maybe before you pay for it, you can remove the watermark and make it completely new and legit to use. You can also turn a photograph into avatars and even create images for your blogs. Let's see a sample of that. So this works by letting you enter a little bit of content from your blog. That's all it takes. All we need to do is select an AI that we want to use, and then we need some content from the blog. So I've got an article just over here. I'm just gonna select some text, come back and put it over here, and then click on generate. And just like that, you have a perfect image for your blog, all customized based on specifically the text that you put in. It's all done on autopilot. You can also create typographic art, put in any text you want, and it will create that typographic text. You can create graffiti. You can create a comic book cover for yourself, wedding invitations, posters, children's book illustrations. You can convert a photograph to pencil art. You can convert a photograph to watercolor and so much more. Pixie has literally hundreds of different workloads like creating people, turning people into kids, giving people curly hair, changing their hairstyles. We have a bunch of hairstyles that you can use. You can de-blur a photograph. If you've got a blurred photo, you could just remove the blur from it. You can enhance the image, make it sharper. You could add sunglasses to people. You could turn a regular image into an HDR, turn photographs to cartoons, photographs to anime to photographs, photographs to charcoal sketches, create collages by combining multiple images, create hyper realistic images. There's so much more that you can do with Pixie. You could change dresses, give yourself a business attire or beach wear, whatever you want. Upscale images, that is, turn a lower resolution images to a higher resolution image. Convert photographs to pixel art. Create a 3D model out of a photograph. Create t-shirt designs, cityscapes, book covers, colorize black and white photographs, remove objects from photographs. You could create a YouTube thumbnail. You could have people holding signs, create all sorts of sceneries and scapes, create all sorts of art. Literally everything that you want is in here. And again, you can do it in a matter of minutes. All you need to do is select a model and then upload your image. I'm just gonna put this one again. Click on generate. And in just a few seconds, I have an oil painting version of the image. So this way you can actually turn your images into some very, very interesting artwork. You can turn them into pixel art like I showed. You can even have 3D model versions of it, or you could create a 3D cartoon version of it too. So all of that is possible only inside of Pixi. Think if you want to search a particular workload, maybe you have something in mind like anime, you could just type the keyword anime and you would get all the keywords that are related to anime. Let's say you have something related to business, you could just type a few characters and you would get all the workloads that are related to that particular keyword that you're putting in. So it makes things very easy. You can even create your custom workloads. So just click on add workloads. Right now I don't have any custom workloads over here, so they're not showing. But once you click on add workloads, you can select what kind of workload is it. Is it a text to image workload or an image to image workload? Give it a name, like I want to create silly unicorns. Click next and then enter your prompt, whatever you want to. Click on create and your workload is created. Now when you click on custom workloads, your workload is right over here. You can then just click on generate. Here we are with a silly unicorn. Again, it gives you access to all the different AIs that are available. You can use any AI you want, which makes it very easy to create all sorts of custom workloads, things that you want to use often. You can just customize them and keep them. Pixi AI makes it very easy for you to work with AI with your existing images. It takes the pain out of image creation. Like, for example, if you want to create a poster, now normally you would have to do a lot of prompt designing to create that poster, but Pixi just gives you a couple of questions and generates the poster, again using any AI you want. What's even better, you don't have to pay for all of these AIs separately. Now, if you were going to use them by separate subscriptions, it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars a month. But Pixi gives you all the access through one simple subscription, which works out cheaper than anything else. You literally save hundreds of dollars a month and get access to crazy new AIs, crazy new workloads, and features that make image creation, image editing with AI a piece of cake. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need skills. All you need is Pixi and just 2 minutes.